Hey adventurers, okay, so we just left Pennsylvania, blinked through a little slice of New York, and now we're officially landing in...
Vermont. Cue the leaves falling in slow motion, dramatic wind sound effects, and the faint scent of maple syrup.
This place is fall magic on steroids. Golden trees, cozy diners, scooters and empty pools, and possibly the best cider donuts known to man. Not even exaggerating.
And this trip, it was completely free. Yep, 3-week lodging, thanks to a little trick we call the timeshare hustle. No, it's really just, like sitting through the timeshare presentation, but sometimes it really pays off.
First off, the drive into Vermont was gorgeous. Winding roads, colors exploding on every hillside, and then...
hot air balloons. Like actual ones, not just the ones Kylie draws on napkins. It was dreamy.
On the drive up, we stopped at this adorable diner for burgers. Eden approved, of course, and guess what they had?
Waffle fries. Yeah, my love language. Vermont, I love you. Now, if you've been following us for a while, you might be thinking, what happened to all the Airbnbs?
Well, let us introduce you to our secret travel weapon, RCI Last Calls.
Basically, timeshare leftovers. Super cheap. And this one?
Totally free. We scored a voucher from a timeshare presentation we suffered through earlier in the year.
Suffered is accurate. They're long, they're boring, but sometimes they're worth it.
Now this was a first. The resort had a pool, but no water.
Instead, it was turned into a scooter zone. They even had scooters to borrow. The girls were in heaven.
Honestly, more fun than a real pool. No towels required, just total chaos.
It doesn't matter. Next up, we went to Smugglers Notch, and the name alone made us feel adventurous.
Legend has it smugglers used to hide their goods in the caves and crevices of the canyon. We didn't find any buried treasure, but the fall leaves were like gold everywhere.
Since Bolton Valley is a ski resort, they had a lift running for leaf peepers like us. We rode to the top, hiked up a path to the tower, and then climbed to the lookout platform. And just, wow. Views in every direction. I've never seen so much fall beauty.
You get a leaf, you get a leaf, everybody gets a leaf.
Oh, never mind, we didn't. Not that high.
We also had to head out to the Cold Hollow Cedar Mill and check it out. You guys, apple cider donuts. Yum. I could write poetry about these.
Paired with fresh cider, so good.
Another day, we hit the Ben & Jerry's factory to learn how ice cream's made. And maybe taste test. Obviously.
It's our duty and responsible parents to vet all ice cream before serving it to our children. To make sure it's not poisonous or anything.
Yeah, they even have a flavor graveyard outside the factory for all the quirky flavors that maybe just didn't make the cut. We laughed, we mourned, and then we kind of got hungry again. It really made me want to try one of every flavor.
The girls found a playground out back, and honestly, if it hadn't gotten dark, we'd probably still be there.
Yeah, isn't that cool? For handicapped children.
We took a drive down to the lake, and wow, the views. Beautiful water, sailboats, and just the right amount of chili.
The girls found a splash pad and begged to run through it, but yeah, it was just a little too cold.
If it had been just 5 degrees warmer, we wouldn't have stood a chance.
Then Kylie found a shop with her name on it. Naturally, it became her official store. I mean, it literally had her name written right on it.
We explored a shop with tons of maple syrup flavors. When in Vermont, you've got to try the maple syrup. And then we stumbled on some super quirky art, like a ski lift bench, a knight's armor drinking fountain, and a big colorful positivity wall, where we just had to stop for pics, naturally.
Also, hummingbirds. Not real ones, but Lacey's radar still went off.
They really are my fave. Okay, so let's wrap this up. We drove through a slice of New York, saw hot air balloons, scored waffle fries, got a free timeshare week, scootered in a dry pool, rode a ski lift, ate donuts, tasted syrup, mourned ice cream, visited Kylie's shop, and admired a knight who dispenses water.
Also, no one got hypothermia, even though the girls tried to splash each other in the cold water. Victory.
Vermont officially has our hearts. Fall is my favorite season, and this place made it glow.
If you love this leaf catching, donut munching, scooter spinning Vermont adventure, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss a stop on our crazy coast-to-coast journey. Please drop us a comment. Where is your favorite place to see the fall leaves? We'll add it to our bucket list so we can check it out.
That's all for now. Adventurepreneurs out.